What up, friends? Hope you guys are well. Sitting under my favorite tree over here in my village. One of the most difficult things to do in life is to be patient. It's to be patient when you're building something that is of value, something that lasts. It's not easy. A lot of people, I'll say 99% of people in business, lack patience. They need a quick win. They need a quick result. But I'm here to tell you, there's no such thing as a quick win. There's no such thing. Let me remind you, it takes 9 months to cook a whole human being in a woman's belly before that human being is born. 9 months. And this human being, say hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name's Pendo.
Yeah. This little human being took 9 months. That's how long we had to wait for the person to come out. We had no idea what the person was going to look like. We knew there was a human cooking, right? But we knew that because we were pregnant for 9 months. But what happens with most people, they give up 3 months into the pregnancy. And the pregnancy in this case, right, it's an analogy I'm using for business. If you cannot be patient enough to wait at least 6 months or even 9 months to see changes in your life, in your business, then you're not going to make it in the long term. A lot of people bail out if they don't see results in the first 30 days. They panic. And I think I know what it is. They're surrounded by a lot of opinions. When you're surrounded by a lot of opinions, it's very easy for somebody to say something that's going to throw you off. That's going to throw you off the game completely and you lose focus. There are people out there that are enemies of progress that will have you start doubting yourself. When you're starting a business, you have to look at it like a pregnancy. Literally, you have to look at it like a pregnancy. For some of you ladies, you know what I'm talking about. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. It's not easy. You have to go through morning sickness. You have to go to doctor's appointments, pain, your feet are hurting, your back is aching. And all these things will happen to you when you're starting a business as well. There's similarities to pregnancy and business, very similar. But the outcome of the patience is beautiful.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. You'd rather have discomfort and then permanently have comfort than having comfort and then permanently have discomfort.
What she said. Right there. When you're patient, no matter the pain, you're going to go through morning sickness, back pains, your ankles are aching, you got headaches. It's painful. But at the end of that pain, it's beautiful. You got a whole human. Now I got a whole assistant. But I had to suffer to get this assistant. This is how you got to look at business, guys. You got to be patient. You cannot allow somebody to have you doubting yourself out here. You cannot allow it. This is why I did a video about isolating yourself. You got to isolate yourself from people that will have you doubting yourself. People will project their lack onto you. They'll project their inability to take action onto you. Don't allow it. So when somebody's asking you stupid questions, they're not asking you because they know. They're asking you because they don't know. So they're projecting. Don't be around these people. You need to be careful who you're surrounding yourself with when you're starting a business, because you're going to give up after 30 days, 3 months. Some give up even on month 8, right before the win. So if you look at your business like a pregnancy, right? Pregnancy takes 9 months. Why are you giving up 8.5 months in? You're about to have the baby in 2 weeks. Why are you giving up now? This is why you need to be around like-minded people. I've created a private membership group of other winners, people that understand what it takes to build a business, that it requires a different level of patience, discipline, commitment, so you can win out here. Because 99.99% of people bail out. You cannot be like the majority. You can't. Put a link in the description of this video. Schedule a call. Talk to you soon. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.